If you live in Florida, you can qualify and register for the Florida Homestead Tax Exemption. This is when you own your property and actually homestead it and you live there as your primary residence. On the Waypoint website, we actually have a link to how do I register for Florida Homestead Exemption that'll actually take you through the steps on what to do. Depending on where you live in Florida and what county, you can apply. You can either click here, or if you already know your exact county, you can just go ahead, click on the county, it'll open up the link. For Seminole County, for example, you'll click File Homestead Exemption, and you would just answer the questions as they pertain to you. Once you've completed that and you've added your owner name or parcel number, you're going to go ahead and search that. Once you have that, you'll be able to continue the application, and it's a seamless process. And make sure you've given it a couple weeks from closing so that the deed has been registered with the county that you live in and that you will be homesteading. Once you're done with that, you will find your tax exemption for the following tax year.